Hello, Pat here, doing my first bike check thing, my jigger. Never done one before, so here we go. There's my bike. It's a pretty cool bike. Um, Starting off here, we have flatware cufflinks grips with Odyssey par ends and bars, shadow voltage, 8 1/4 inch rise. They're pretty. I like them. Um, Stem, Shadow Strike, blue, cause I bought this with my other color set, and it doesn't match, and I don't really give a fuck. Probably gonna strip it down to chrome anyways. Uh, Headset, Shadow Corvus, chrome, obviously. Um, Forks, yeah, some Shadow Voltus forks. I like Shadow, so a lot of it's Shadow. Tire, Demolition Momentum, with an front rim, Alienation black rim, laced to a Shadow Raptor front hub, and some fly peg that's worn out to shit. Here's my frame, the paddy wagon. Well, that's what the name of my bike is. So, frame, Eastern Grim Reaper Eternal with the cool cutout, Eastern cutout in front. There's one in the bottom bracket, shell thing too. Seat, Shadow Seth Kimbrough, I'm pretty sure it is. I don't know. Really give a fuck. Never figured out what the name of the seat was. Seat post, Shadow, uh, bottom bracket, Shadow Corvus. I don't really. The lighting's pretty bad. You probably can't see it. Yeah, I see it better now. Shadow Corvus bottom bracket. Cranks, Shadow Torrid V2. Painted them that red. I don't know. You can't really see it that well. The lighting sucks in this room. Pedals, Welgo, Magnesium 4A, pretty spinny. Spin, spin. Yep, missed it. Back wheel, Max's Miracle tire. Hate it, sucks dick. I like fat tires in the back, but don't have one, so I have to ride this piece of shit tire for now. Rims, Odyssey 7K, laced to Shadow Raptor. Pretty loud fucking hub. Back peg, Shadow Little One. Let's move on to the chain wheel. Doop, 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 doop. Chain wheel, sprocket, whatever. Shadow Scream, 28 tooth. And chain and Shadow Interlock 2. Yeah, Grim Reaper. And yeah, it's got a ladybug in that, and a star somewhere. Yeah, there's a star. Doop doop doop. Ain't it pretty? Well, don't think I forgot anything. Oh, well, go fuck yourself. See ya.